We resume in Beijing, where the National Aquatics Center, formerly known as the Water Cube, is undergoing its last stage of Experience Beijing test events that includes tests for wheelchair curling at the 2022 Winter Paralympics. Providing on-site emergency medical support is one of the top priorities of this session of the dry run on Friday. Sports Scene's Wang Dong has the details.
Compared to any Olympics, Paralympics is more demanding and complex in terms of its medical and logistic support. As such, the upgraded National Aquatics Center, now called the Ice Cube, as the official competition venue for curling, has set up a 40-member experienced medical team aiming to provide necessary on-site medical services and emergency aid for athletes and audience during the Beijing 2022 Winter Olympics and Paralympics.
Since March, we have been coming to the venue every week for training. We have made adequate logistical and material support, including medical supplies, equipment, and facilities. We have 40 medical workers participating in a test competition. The team consists of experts from various departments, some of whom participated in the 2008 Beijing Summer Olympics.
In addition to the physical transformation of the 2008 Summer Olympics to the 2022 Winter Games, the stadium's facilities, particularly the medical aspect, have to be ready to face the challenges of the ongoing pandemic situation and deal with uncertainties.
The Winter Olympics are very different from the Summer Olympics. One of the most obvious differences is protection against epidemics in winter and allergic reactions in the spring.
It might be the first time for the National Aquatics Center to hold a top category international winter sporting event like curling in 2022. But the venue operation team's medical expert is confident that they will be able to do their job to contain COVID-19 and live up to the expectations, although the cost is admittedly high.
During the 10 days of the test event, we have disinfected the entire stadium 3 times, which is very expensive. From a medical aspect, we have 20 doctors and 20 nurses to treat people who get injured during the competitions. From the aspect of epidemic prevention, we need more workers, including professionals and volunteers.
According to Dr. Chen, her current medical team is expected to be reinforced during the Winter Olympics as needed, and the real challenge is how to be psychologically prepared to make ad hoc decisions at some critical moment and manage the team effectively. From the original Water Cube to the current Ice Cube, after some environmentally friendly upgrading, the mission is only half done. And the staff and management team are fully aware of the fact that the real and tough challenges are still ahead, especially given that the second round of tests will take place in October involving international athletes, and not to mention the 2022 Winter Olympics here in Beijing at the beginning of next year. Wang Dong, CGTN.